Presented by Liberty Painting.
Hello, this is Joshua from Liberty Painting. The reason I am making this quick little video is to share what makes my company, Liberty Painting, different than other companies in my field. Liberty Painting is a husband and wife team. My wife Caitlin joined me when COVID took the world by storm last year and added something special to my professional life. With mom answering our business lines and the kids helping out on jobs during the summer and on weekends, we are truly a family-owned business. Our goal is always going to be to give you a great experience. We put forth great effort to find new ways to make customers comfortable and at ease. We are service providers, and at a certain level, we know that our service is a luxury. And we believe that as such, we should offer an experience that goes well beyond the ordinary or average paint job. We provide all the basic services, like interior and exterior painting, power washing and things of that nature. But we also specialize in some advanced skill sets, like cabinet painting, deck and fence staining, deck repairs and rebuilds and window and door repairs. Caitlin's deep understanding of wood and the common causes and preventions of wood and dry rot have allowed us the opportunity to help a lot of homeowners tackle these kind of repairs. We would love to hear from you if you have a project that needs to be done. Setting up an appointment is very easy. You can send a message to our Facebook page. You can fill out our appointment form on our website at libertypaintingstlouis.com/appointments. Or you can call or text us at 314-359-2169. Please give us 24 hours to respond, as we work every day and we try not to spend a lot of time on our phones, as a courtesy to our customers when working on their projects.